Okay, so I'm just going to show you really quick how to knit single with the hand-dyed yarn and purl double with both the base color and the highlight color. So we're doing twisted rib, and I'm just showing you on my swatch here, but you can absolutely knit it in the round. That's how it's intended to do it in the pattern. So I like to hold my yarn in the left hand and then just separate the two colors so they're easier to grab one versus the other. It takes some getting used to for sure. And we're doing twisted rib here, sorry. And if you need a refresher on twisted rib, I also have a YouTube video for that. So we're gonna knit through the back loop. And then you can see for the knit stitch, I'm just picking up the hand-dyed yarn. So I only have one color on my right hand needle, slip it off, and then I'm still holding both. So then I'm going to pull them to the front for the purl, and I'm going to purl both colors together. So you can see I've knit just the highlight color and I've purled the two together. So I'll do that again. I'm going to knit through the back loop. Oops, I'm knitting. I was going to pick up both of them. Not paying attention, so I'm going to knit through the back loop, picking up only the hand-dyed color. This does get quicker, I promise, and then you're going to purl both. You can also do it where we separate, so you can hold one color in one hand, one color in the other. And you can knit and throw that hand-dyed one, and then you bring the purl to the front, and then you have to purl them both together. I find even if you're more used to throwing, that's a lot more fiddly and that's going to take a lot more time. I strongly recommend doing both colors in one hand. You're going to thank me later.